Hello all, welcome to channel. This is D Square and today I'm gonna show you how to do compressive test in Solidworks. So I'm starting it. Okay, so first I need to make a part. So choose plane. I'm choosing right plane and make a one circle. The diameter is 25 mm. Okay, now extrude up to 60 mm. Okay, done. Now take a center plane, normal, and draw a center line. Okay, fine. Select it, make as its center, and go to ellipse. Click ellipse. Here, make one ellipse. Okay. Now the length of the ellipse is 50 mm, and the width of ellipse is 22 mm. Okay, right. Now cut it. Choose your mid plane and make right. So this is our part. Our part is ready. You can use a EDM machine to make this type of shape very easily. If you have some sample pieces, if you have mass production, then you can go for make a die and do it production because it it is very easy in die making than doing mass production. So right now choose your simulation tab and new study, and here we are doing compressive test. So I'm writing it, compressive test. Click right here. Now here click here part, right click here and apply material. Right now I am choosing in steel material in yellow steel. Apply and close. Here you can see that material is applied and color is changed. We don't need any connection because it is a single body. Right now fixture, in fixture right click here and fix geometry. We can fix this below part. Click right. Okay. Now applying the load, go to external load, right click and take a force, and we here applying 7000 Newton force, and this is our top part. Here we can change the unit. Right now we are taking SI unit. Okay, so click right. Right now force is applied. Now go to mesh and create mesh. Click here mesh parameter and choose curvature base mesh because this is part is in curvature, right? So choose here curvature base mesh and click right. Okay, fine. Now click here down arrow and study property. Here I am choosing large problem direct sphere. Click OK because when we applied more load, so that time it shows your load is very high, so you have to change in a large type study. So I am really change it. Okay, now run the study. So study is running. Okay, now we have a result. Double click on chart and click here show minimum and show maximum annotation, and get here floating and click here. Here we need a megapascal, so click here megapascal. Now click right. So here you can see that the maximum stress value is 575.504, and this is our maximum yield strength is 620.422. It means for now this item is safe. If we apply more load, this will break, but for this load, it is safe for now. Right click and animate it. Choose a stop and make frame is 25 and play again. Okay, so here you can see that in this point you will get the main displacement also, because here is less thickness. Here you can see that the minimum stress point is this point and the maximum is this point. Now click right. Now just check displacement, double click on displacement, double click on chart. So here minimum and maximum annotation, and get here floating, and go to here definition, and I need all type displacement in x, y and z axis. So I am choosing resultant displacement, and it is default choose. Okay, so right click here and animate it. So this is our displacement. Here you can see that when we applied 7000 Newton load, so this will displace up to 0.126 mm. Here is the value 0.126 mm. Now click right. Here you can see that 0.126 mm, and this part has more displacement because it has less thickness. Now find strain, double click on strain, double click on chart. So here minimum maximum annotation, and get here floating definition. Okay, this right. Here you can see that the strain in this structure, these are the molecules are change its shape because there is less thickness, that's why. Now right click here and animate it. Here we can see that the red R shows that the molecules are change their structure, and red shows the maximum changes. Okay, click right. Here right click and section clipping. Okay, click here and I am choosing right click here and clear section and right plane. Drag this arrow. So here we can see that the molecular changes. The red shows the maximum changes and the blue shows the minimum or zero changes. Okay, click cancel. So this is the strain. Now go here stress. If you want to compare all result in one display, right? So click here compare result and click right. So here you can see that the all three results are showing here. First one is stress, right? The second one is displacement, and third one is strain, and fourth one is when we don't apply any load, so that time how our object looks. So that is the fourth one. So this is the way you can see all result in a one display. Okay, now if you want to save it, then click here, you can save it also. Now exit compare. Okay, so when I change the load, right click here and edit definition. I am choosing right now 9000 Newton load and click right and run the study again. Okay, so here you can see that the maximum stress value is 739.934, and this is our yield strength limit, that is 620.2.422. It means when we are applying 9000 Newton, the object will fail forever. Animate it. Here we can see that the maximum stress is going more than yield stress limit. Okay, now click cancel it. So this is the how we can do compressive test in SolidWorks. Okay, so like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Thank you all.